Here's a Dominion 10-inch oscillating table fan. It's about from the late 1940s. Still has a carryover of a deco look with the deco blades and the deco design guard. Single speed rotary switch. And Dominion made a really nice product back in the day. And this is no exception. It still runs like a champ. Cast iron base, all steel construction. Can you imagine trying to get that today? Impossible. But let me show you how it works. It's got this switch right on the motor. Super quiet. Moves a nice amount of air. You can also set it for non-oscillating with the knob in the back. You just turn the knob counterclockwise and stop the oscillation. It's got a nice sound to it. And we'll go for the off position. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.